Mastering Homonyms. Ace your homonym usage quizzes. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of homonyms. These little tricky words look or sound similar but have different meanings. They can be challenging, but mastering homonyms is a vital part of achieving advanced proficiency in English. Stick with us as we explore some exercises and quizzes that will help you ace your homonym usage. Firstly, let's clarify what homonyms are. Homonyms are words that share the same spelling or pronunciation but have different meanings. This category includes two subcategories: homographs, same spelling, and homophones, same sound. However, in today's lesson, we're focusing on homonyms as a whole, without distinguishing between the subcategories. So, why should you learn about homonyms? Well, homonyms can dramatically change the meaning of a sentence, depending on their usage. A simple mistake can lead to misunderstandings or, in the best-case scenario, a hearty laugh. But don't worry, with practice, you'll be able to use homonyms effortlessly. Now, let's look at some common homonyms and how they're used in sentences. 1. Bear, animal, versus bear, to carry. 2. The bear is eating honey. 3. I cannot bear the heavy luggage. 4. Bat, animal, versus bat, for baseball. 5. The bat flew out of the cave. 6. He swung the bat to hit the ball. Keep in mind, the context is critical when dealing with homonyms. Practice recognizing and understanding homonyms in different contexts to improve your usage of them. Time for some practice. Here's a homonym usage quiz to help you master your homonyms. 1. The word bark can mean the sound a dog makes, or the skin of a tree. Use both meanings in separate sentences. 2. Write two sentences using the word rock, once as a verb and once as a noun. 3. The word well can be an adverb, an interjection, a noun, or a verb. Can you create a sentence for each usage? Remember, the key to mastering homonyms is practice, practice, practice. That's it for today's lesson on homonyms. We hope that these exercises and quizzes have been helpful. Keep practicing and always remember, context is king when dealing with homonyms. We look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Until then, keep exploring and keep learning.